Hello friend, welcome back. Today video I am going to show you how to draw the polyline in AutoCAD. So now we go to draw menu and select polyline. Okay, now click on first point and then move the mouse right and click on the second point. Okay, for the polyline we can continue the line. Okay, let's click on here. And we continue to move the line and click on here. And now we press enter to end the command. Okay, now polyline you can draw it like this. If you want to change the color, select it and change the color to be yellow. Okay, now let's check the dimension of the polyline. Okay, the dimension of the polyline is 19. So now we're going to draw the new polyline, which is distance is 20. So now go to draw menu and select the polyline. And click on the first point and move the mouse right and input 20 and enter. Okay, now we enter to end the command. So now let's check the dimension of the polyline. So okay, now the polyline is 20. Let's change the color to be yellow. Okay, if we want to draw the polyline that has a thickness 2, so let's try to do it. So go to draw menu and select polyline and then click the first point. Now we press W, enter. So now we define the thickness of the polyline 2, so let me put 2, enter, and then we input 2 one more time. Okay, now enter. So the thickness of the polyline is 2 now. So let's define the polyline distance. So for the second point we input 20. Okay, now enter to end the command. Okay, now we change this polyline to be yellow. Okay, and let's check the dimension of the polyline. Okay, the polyline is 20 now. The thickness of the polyline is 2. Okay, for the polyline we can draw rectangle. For this example, let's draw the rectangle. Okay, go to draw menu and select polyline. Click the first point. Okay, if the thickness is very thick, so we need to define the thickness of the polyline to be 0. Let's press W, enter, and then we input 0, enter, and then 0 one more time, enter. Okay, now we define the rectangle is 15. Enter. Okay, now it's 15. We move the mouse up and input 10. Enter. Okay, now we move the mouse left and input 15. Enter. Okay, now we click on the start point and then enter to end the command. Okay, let's check the dimension of the rectangle. Okay, this one is 15, and we do one more time for this side. Okay, let's select on the rectangle and change to be yellow. Okay, now we can use polyline to draw many objects. If we want to draw other objects like curve, so we go to draw and select polyline again, and then now we click on here and move the mouse right, and we define 10 and enter. So if we want to make this one curve, we press A, enter, and then we input 7, enter. Okay, now continue, we input 10, enter. Okay, because all this one is still curved, so we need to input by press L, enter, to make it straight. Okay, now it's straight already, so we input 10, enter, and then we can press C to close the polyline, so we press C, enter. Okay, now we can draw object like this. Let's change the color to be yellow. Now let's check the dimension. Okay, if we want to repeat the command, we can press space or enter. Okay, now we move the mouse. So this object is 7 by 10. Okay, if we use polyline to draw the arrow, so we can do it like this. So we go to draw menu and select polyline again, and now we click on here or here. So now let's click on here. So we press W, enter, and then we input 0, enter, and then we input 5, enter. So now our arrow is like this. So let's click on the second point. Okay, if we move the mouse here, so the arrow will be like this, but this one we don't want, so we need to define the signal of the arrow. So we input 2. We go to W, we press W again and enter, and we input 2, enter, and then we input 2 one more time, enter. So now we move the mouse left, and we can define the distance from the main arrow by press 20, enter. So if we continue, we can do continue, but for now we can press enter to end the command. So okay, polyline we can do we can draw arrow like this. So select the arrow and change the color to be yellow. Okay, if you want to check the dimension, we can do the dimension. Okay, so far so good. So if we want to draw other object for this example. So now if we want to draw the polyline for draw other objects, so let's go to polyline, and then we press A, enter, and then we input 3, enter, 3, enter, continue 3, enter, 3, enter, and then 3, enter. Okay, if we want to stop and end the command, we press enter to end the command. So okay, let's change this polyline to be yellow. Okay, let's check the dimension of the polyline. Okay, it fits. Okay, for the polyline we can draw many objects, as you see here. So I hope you can do by yourself and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for now. Bye.